Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a 1099 NEC on TurboTax full guide. Open TurboTax, sign in, and select the Self-Employment or Business Income section to start entering details. Enter payer and recipient names, TIN, addresses, and the non-employee compensation amount exactly as your records show. Review withholding, state boxes, and confirm totals before submitting electronically or printing copies for recipients. Sign into TurboTax, then choose the Business or Self-Employed tab and follow prompts for Form 1099 NEC entries. Carefully type payer EIN or SSN, then enter the recipient's legal name and TIN to avoid mismatches. Put the compensation amount in Box 1 and include any federal or state withholding if applicable. Use TurboTax's validation checks and preview the form. After entering all data, use TurboTax review tools to catch errors and mismatches before filing. Choose e-file to submit to the IRS or print recipient copies if you must mail them personally. Confirm state filing requirements and save a PDF copy for your records. Keep documentation like payment receipts and proof of filing for at least 3 years to support any future inquiries or audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.